This is a story of a young man. He loved planting some plants. So what happened is he saw a catalog and he saw some climbers. He saw some climbers, creepers. Creepers are called as kudi chedi. So he saw that climber tree or the creeper has got beautiful white flowers. Very, very nice white flowers. The young man liked it. He loved it. He said, okay, I'm going to grow this. So what exactly he wanted was, he got some seeds and he put 5 places. He put some 5 seeds next to a wall. A broken wall in this. Okay, he put the broken wall and he started taking care of it. 1 week, 2 weeks. Then what happened? Sprouts started coming, germination happened, and the leaves started to come. It's a creeper. So what it did is started climbing on the wall. So now 1 month is over. The creepers have climbed till the top. Okay, but there's not even a single flower. Why did the boy plant? He loved flowers. He saw the flowers. Wow, and the catalog of beautiful flowers. 2 months over. Nothing. He is able to see all green, 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 but not even a single flower. Or flower varla. Or chinna flower varla. Then almost 3 months over, then this young man decided, ayyo, this is waste. This is waste. It is growing, whatever, but I can't see a single flower. What happened? This young man was outside and he decided that 2-3 days, whenever I get a time, I will cut them off. It's a waste. It is just taking my garden space. When the person was outside, the neighbor called him. Hey, hi, come. He said, okay, what is it? He said, thank you so much. I want to show you something you planted in your garden, and because of your garden, my garden is a paradise. My garden is a paradise. He said, wow, what happened? Come. When he went to his garden and he saw the other side of the wall, and the cracked bullema, the beautiful flowers have gone that side and fully white, green white. It's a beautiful paradise. The man was very happy. He said, very, very happy. It's okay. Yeah, side length on the flower varla. But who is getting it? My neighbor is getting it. My neighbor is getting it. Every day. When he came back, what did he do? Did he cut it? Will he cut it? Will you cut it? No. Let it grow. The others, maybe the future people will benefit. Don't worry. Keep doing your great work. You're all doing great work. Keep building more and more leaders. Keep building more and more managers. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. DK Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anju ji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.